In our last video, we coded the condition that will allow our agent to detect when the player has reached the end platform and stop the timer. But what happens if we reach the goal and try to run our game again? After completing a successful run to the platform of gold blocks, trying to run the code again results in the game immediately ending because the agent is already standing on the gold blocks. We need to make sure the agent is at the player's location at the start of the game. We can teleport the agent to the player as our first action in our onChat command block. Let's find the agent teleport block in the agent folder and place it at the beginning of our code inside the onChat command. This idea of where the agent is standing at the start of the game brings up a potential cheating opportunity based on where the player is standing when they start the game. If the player navigates through the parkour course and only then starts the game very close to the platform at the end, the player can finish with an inaccurate time. Using only ideas we've learned in previous lessons, how can we ensure that the player cannot cheat in this manner? We need to make sure that the player can only start the game if they are standing on the diamond blocks at the starting platform. After teleporting the agent to the player at the start, we need to make sure the agent is standing on a block of diamond. We can create a conditional statement using the if block, so the game will only begin if the player is on the starting platform. Let's get an if block from the logic folder and place all of our code after the agent teleport inside. The condition required to start the game is: if the agent inspects down is equal to diamond block, then we run all the code to play the game. Rather than finding all of the blocks we need again, we can right-click on the comparison block in our original while loop and click Duplicate. This will make a copy of that block and everything in it. Let's place this inside the top of our if block. Change the does not equal to equals, and change our gold block to diamond. Now this code will only run if the agent is standing on diamond blocks. Let's test our code to make sure the game does not start unless the player is standing on the diamond starting platform. Let's stand off to the side of the starting platform and start the game by entering the play chat command. The game should not start. Once we've verified that to be the case, let's test that the game does start when the player is standing on the diamond platform. I'll stand on the starting platform and enter the play chat command. And there, it looks like the game has started. As a reminder, we can stop our code at any time by opening Code Builder. In this video, we created code that will prevent the player from running the game from anywhere other than the starting platform. There is one more way the player might be able to cheat based on our current code. In our next video, we will address this issue and make some changes to solve the problem.